Okay guys, we're about to do the reveal. We're helping Marie. She's a senior citizen. We're volunteering to help her yard. We've cleaned her yard up. We've done a bunch of stuff. And now I found a birdhouse that was her sister's, and it was all dilapidated. Look at the other videos, and now we're going to reveal it to her. Okay. All right, we're coming. Don't turn around yet. I gotta set it up. All right, hold on a second. Let me set it up real quick. I want you to see it all in full.
Okay.
Okay. All right, go ahead. Turn around.
Oh, it's got a stained glass. Look at
This is still wet a little bit, the yellow.
Yeah. Ooh, the base is gorgeous. I didn't even realize you took the base.
Yeah.
Or is that a different base?
That's your base. That's your base.
Jorge, oh my gosh. The windows. I love the windows. I know.
You like it?
Margaret would love them too.
Is that her name? Was Margaret?
Margaret, can I lift this? No.
Well, you can.
But I
look right here. You just undo that, and it'll lift up.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
So it's.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! And ooh.
The yellow's still wet.
Okay,
so,
don't touch the yellow.
So what do you think? You like it?
I love it.
I painted it that color because it seemed like it was that color.
Yes, and you know my house.
Oh, she matched the house. Okay.
The house is a pale green, but
Yeah.
this is a little bit brighter, and we need a little bit brighter in
Yeah.
our lives for sure. Oh my gosh! How did you do the stained glass?
I drew those, and it's on. It's like a plastic, and it's sealed up. So, yeah, you like it?
I love it.
Yeah.
I love it.
All right.
I need a safe place for it until it has a more permanent. I need to clean that out a little bit.
Where do you want it at?
Well, I don't want it anywhere right. Where can we put it?
You want to put it in the back for now?
That's too far.
Okay.
The porch? Maybe the porch? Right there looks good.
Like maybe
Yeah,
right here.
yeah,
Okay.
Hold on. That'll be a holding place.
yeah.
Yeah, because I'm gonna leave it. Do you want me to screw the bait? You want me to screw it on so it's all in one piece?
You do what you think is best for moving it, because it'll be easier to move it again
Yeah.
when we get.
You let me know when you want, whenever you want to move it. Let me know, and I'll come move it to the permanent place.
Margaret would be so happy.
Yeah.
Yes, and she has a daughter named Mandy who I will send a picture of this to Mandy.
Oh, for real?
Oh yeah, Mandy.
Oh,
will
wow.
love this. She has a daycare center, I think, down in the Houston area.
So gorgeous.